This is an Alberta emergency alert. Environment and Climate Change Canada has issued a tornado alert. This alert is in effect for Mountain View County and Rocky View number 44. At 2:15 p.m., a tornado was spotted near Crossfield, moving slowly eastward. Communities in the path include Crossfield. If you are in the affected area, seek shelter immediately in a basement or reinforced structure. Get low and put as many walls between yourself and the storm as possible. Stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. If you are on the highway and cannot avoid the tornado, seek shelter in a ditch or ravine. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.
18 hours later,